Hello. Some of you already know that we run a charity here as well as just having this YouTube channel and a small business here in the Philippines. Our charity, one of our partners in Germany, they wanted to do some sort of a project that people could learn and maybe make some livelihood, so kind of a livelihood project. And our partners go one-to-one, and after 2 years nearly of groundwork, we decided the best thing to do would be for me to teach them carpentry, as I'm a carpenter myself. Go one-to-one, send the tools then, and so now we're at the stage this week that we're going to start teaching. I'm going to start teaching. So we had a blessing, and I'll just show you a quick video. It's normal practice over here that you get a building or a house or even a car blessed by a priest. It's tradition here. And so we had a blessing and a celebration, and some of our friends came over. And we had, you can, later in the video you'll see the priest. I have the priest using Japanese saws, how about that? So please watch the video to the end, thank you. This one is low angle plane. So it's like so thin. Just a block plane, one-handed plane. So thin. So even thinner again. So you wanted to see Japanese saw, yeah? This is called a ryuba. Everybody should have one of these. Okay? It's ryuba. It's a double. Ryuba is double because it's fine on one side and rough on the other. The children there, or the students there, were already able to learn this in 2 minutes.
But these are not available here.
Yes, I bought these online. Online, yes. This one came during the week. For instance, with normal...
But it's genuine from Japan.
Yes, from Japan, yes. From Amazon. Normal 10-inch saw, we would learn, we would cut like this. You're cutting when you're going forward with your finger here like this. Traditional Western look. So it's really heavy because it's pushing, right? So, and this keeps it even stronger, right? But you take a Japanese saw, it's way thinner.
But it's same.
It doesn't need to be because we don't push it, we pull it. So it's being pulled.
Okay.
We cut on the pull stroke. So on the rough side again, the same, okay, the same as that one. And you can use 2 hands or 1 hand. And it's razor sharp. And
sharper than this.
Yes. Oh. But you can't sharpen this. Not sharpen this. You change the blade.
Then buy again online.
You can buy a spare blades there. So you will cut here. We will use the fine side here.
Can we buy this one in...
Yes, I bought this from Manila.
From Manila.
Well, it comes from the US, but the guy brings all the stuff in from the US. He's from Manila. I brought my glue from him, and so this one is the fine side. So it will come like this. Normally a Japanese will get a piece of wood and they will wedge it against it like that to hold the line. I'm not going to do that for now. So.
It's very sharp.
It's very sharp and very smooth.
Kay kung may duha o tulo nga nagkatigom sa akong ngalan, ato usab ako uban kanila. Busa hinuktan ang hugot na pagtuo, mga liya kita ngadto sa Ginoo ngayong tansang puson, kining maong dunang buhatanan sama kaniadto sa iyang pagsantos sa balay ni Sakeo.
Keep your eye along it. Use 2 hands or 1 hand. Easy to use, right?
It's very sharp.
So this is very easy to use for people. We're going to get crooked. I start off. This is very easy to
used for people that never used a saw in their life before. Because if you're using one like this, you have to make sure your finger is along it to keep it straight. This one, no, not necessarily. You can go start off with the fine one here. And you just have I never used these before. Now I got my thing started open. This is a Western tool. It's a coping saw, but the Western tool that it works on the full stroke as well. Line there, and we can follow around it. I'm going to let you do it now in a minute. Girls were doing it. Girls were doing it here. You let the saw do the work. You don't push the saw.
You just follow it, no?
Don't push it. No, you cut in when you're pulling it back.
Okay.
Just let the saw go loose. Don't let it tight. Don't tighten it. Don't try and turn it too quick. Remember, you're cutting when you're pulling. When you let the saw do the work. So that's loose. Cutting when you're pulling, okay?
Okay.
I've done carpentry for 40 years, 40 plus years. I've done it in school 50 years. You buy it.
Batok sa tanang katalagman ug dautan. Ini among gipangayo pinagi ni Kristo among Ginoo. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and at the hour of our death.
Glory to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
As it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Now, so that's the video, and thank you very, very much for watching this video. This is a big step for us. We do lots of projects with malnutrition and all of this, and building houses, but this is one that's going to take up a lot of my time, but we will get around it. I have 23 students already signed up. I think maybe 20 of them will, for sure, will join the carpentry classes. So if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. There, or there, or there, wherever. Down there as well, and maybe down there as well. So thank you very much for watching. You know my videos are rough, and but they're all kind of half live.